Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight is a great time to dust off the corruption charge sheets because the usual suspects are squirming, from Rahul Gandhi to Tejasvi Yadav, from Bhupesh Baghel to Arvind Kejriwal. It's a full-blown meltdown across the opposition. Wait. Not united by alliances, but united by corruption. Why? Because the anti-graft heat is catching up once again. Congress Party, RJD, Aam Aadmi Party, all are under fire and crying vendetta, vendetta. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on a whirlwind tour of Bihar and Bengal, has used the opportunity to rub it in the faces of the old guard and remind the people of the contrast between the tainted governance of the past and the new era of hope and progress.
साथियों, आरजेडी के वो लोग आपको कभी रोजगार नहीं दे सकते। जो लोग रोजगार देने के नाम पर आपकी जमीनें अपने नाम लिखवा लेते हैं, आप याद रखिए, एक और लालटेन का दौर वाला बिहार था, एक और ये नई उम्मीदों की रोशनी वाला बिहार है।
The timing of this reminder could not have been more apt. Just minutes before Prime Minister's speech, former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav failed to get any relief in the Land for Jobs scam as the Supreme Court refused to halt the trial proceedings in the case. So far, one hasn't heard from Tejasvi Yadav on this, but his Twitter timeline has a pinned post from 2017 where he insinuates that only if his father had joined hands with the BJP, his sins would have been washed away. Is that not an admission of guilt? You, the viewers, need to decide. And while you wait for Congress to speak, all you get is Mallikarjun Kharge's question yesterday. Is it the Prime Minister's job to give out appointment letters? Well, Mr. Kharge, here's a better question. Is it the Chief Minister's job to give jobs in exchange for land?
ये मोदी जी 2 दिन पहले मैंने कहा कि अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर बांट रहे थे। अरे मैं कभी नहीं सुना कि मैं जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का पढ़ा देखा, उन्होंने कभी ऐसा लेटर नहीं बांटा अपॉइंटमेंट का। जो हमारे लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी थे, उन्होंने अभी कैसा नहीं किया। इंदिरा गांधी जी ने कहीं नहीं किया। खुद उनके जो है बीजेपी के नेता वाजपेयी नहीं किए। ये महाशय आके सबको अपॉइंटमेंट का लेटर ऐसा बांट रहा है। तेरा काम हो, आपका काम हुआ है।
The one person who is not silent on the probe agency's action is Mr. Rahul Gandhi. A day after his brother-in-law was charge-sheeted by the Enforcement Directorate in a land deal case where Robert Vadra is accused of money laundering, Rahul Gandhi today accused the government of indulging in decade-long witch hunt and malicious harassment of his family. This, remember, is the same leader who was threatening to send Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to jail without any concrete evidence or case against him. The BJP sees this as a symptom of larger malaise, of complete disregard for the judicial system.
जिस प्रकार का उनका ट्वीट रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के संदर्भ में आया है और जिस प्रकार का बयान उन्होंने हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा जी के विरुद्ध दिया है, एक बार फिर ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है उसको न्यायिक प्रक्रिया से, जांच की प्रक्रिया से कोई मतलब नहीं है।
राजनीतिक प्रतिशोध के चलते ये चार्जशीट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मोदी सरकार जिस प्रतिशोध की राजनीति से ईडी, सीबीआई, इनकम टैक्स का इस्तेमाल कर रही है, वो अब सर्वविदित है और पूरी दुनिया के सामने है।
In yet another addition to the cleanup versus political conspiracy debate, today the Enforcement Directorate also arrested former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel's son, Chaitanya Baghel, for his alleged role in a liquor scam that took place when his father was the Chief Minister. Baghel Sr. responded by saying what has now become a template for the opposition.
आज तो विधानसभा में अडानी का मामला उठना है और अपने मालिक को खुश करने के लिए मोदी और शाह ने ईडी मेरे घर भेज दिया है। हम लोग डरने वाले नहीं हैं, न झुकने वाले हैं। ये कितना भी ताकत लगा ले, भूपेश बघेल न टूटेगा न झुकेगा।
And ED sleuths have also added to Aam Aadmi Party's woes. On a day when Team Kejriwal announced that it was parting ways with the India alliance, they found themselves united by corruption crackdown. The ED has now filed money laundering cases related to 3 alleged scams that took place during the party's tenure in Delhi, worth rupees, wait and hear this, almost 6,500 crore. Aam Aadmi Party, planning to contest all seats in Bihar, is now alleging intimidation.
हम इन मुकद्दमों से डरने वाले नहीं हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी ने आज तक 1 रुपए का भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया है।
Well, the legitimate question on the news hour that we are asking, who's really insecure, the centre or the opposition? Why is a crackdown on corruption causing a meltdown in the opposition? That is the Motorola legitimate question on the news hour tonight. The debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author. To my left, with him, Satya Prakash Mishra, leader of the JDU. To my right, I have Advocate Anmol Pawar, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Advocate Nikhil Jain supports the Congress Party. Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, and Professor Badshah Alam, national spokesperson of the RJD, joins the debate. First, across to you, Nikhil Jain. Vadra Sahab pe koi, there is no immediacy that there is some revenge going on. This case is going on since 2008. And if anybody in the space of 4 months actually earns 50 crores, buys something for 7.5 crores, sells it for 58 crores, in between some land use changes by the government, ownership documents in 24 hours, the investigation cannot be called it is a revenge tactic.
Navika, so this allegedly happened 17 years ago. As per your own statement, he had the land, he had bought the land, he sold the land, he must have paid stamp duty on it. Yes, he did make a windfall. If the land is sold, then a stamp duty has to be paid. It's not a case of tax evasion. It's not a case of land encroachment. It's not a case of some government minister writing government land to their name. It wasn't a fraudulent transaction. There is no black money involved. So are the allegations, right? What are you talking about? We don't like anybody creating wealth in this country. This is broadly the allegation of the BJP. When Adani creates 50,000 crores of wealth, it's very kosher. But when Robert Vadra supposedly creates 50 crores of wealth, that is problematic. Let's for a moment assume that there was some corruption involved. 17 years now. It takes 17 years to investigate a goddamn matter. They have just filed the charge sheet. 11 years Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been in power. Na khaunga, na khane dunga. 15 lakh sabke account mein bhejunga. सब मिलजुल के खा रहे हैं जो बीजेपी के साथ है, लेकिन कांग्रेस के खिलाफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलती रहती है, लेकिन कभी कुछ होता नहीं. 2G scam. Is there a single political conviction? No. Alleged 2G scam, alleged coal scam, alleged 3WG scam. Not a single political person has gone to jail. And why haven't they gone to jail? Because it was all a political ploy by the BJP, as is the Vadra case, as is the Baghel case, as are so many other cases.
I really don't understand. I really don't understand. You know, half of us,
30,000 crore का scam,
completed, at least 10-11 years hearing this same explanation. Initially, the question, Anand Ranganathan, was, oh, they've just come to power and this is vendetta. Today, the question is, 11 years they haven't proved. So, if it is immediate, it is vendetta. If it is 11 years, it is also vendetta. What's going on?
नहीं, वो सब छोड़िए. पहले I want to congratulate. This is a historic red letter day. राहुल गांधी का सक्सेसर मिल गया. आई वॉन्ट टू कंग्रेचुलेट निखिल जैन फॉर प्राउड सक्सेसर, जो कांग्रेस का मतलब इतने कम टाइम में इतना ज्यादा झूठ मैं पहले सोचता था सिर्फ राहुल गांधी बोल सकते हैं। निखिल जैन हैज ट्रम्प्ड हिम। कैसे? ये 15 लाख का कब तक चलाओगे निखिल? ऑनेस्टली आई वांट टू आस्क यू। I will change my surname and name to Nikhil Jain from now on. If you can prove that Narendra Modi actually said that I will transfer 15 lakhs in it, don't spread such lies. 14 साल से ये lies चली आ रही। Why are you again?
नरेंद्र मोदी
नहीं, ये क्या उन्होंने
अकाउंट में 15 लाख आएंगे?
नहीं,
उन्होंने नहीं कहा था नाले की गैस से चाय बनाते हुए मैंने किसी को देखा था। नहीं, मैं तो 15 लाख का
talking about corruption here. Should corruption
Okay, let's talk about corruption.
After all, it was Rahul Gandhi who day before yesterday was putting Himanta Biswa Sarma, again a popularly elected chief minister, into jail. That was kosher.
No.
That was kosher.
So
that was not a threat.
Did the BJP not release a booklet in 2015 detailing all the scams of Himanta Biswa Sarma, including the Sharada scam, including another scam, including a TADA case, terrorist case against Himanta Biswa Sarma? No action has been taken. Did the Prime Minister and Devendra Fadnavis not themselves say Ajit Pawar is the most corrupt person? Did they not implicate him in a 30,000 crore scam? Suvendu Adhikari, Narda scam, one after the other. Their allies, their leaders, their turncoats are all people against whom the Prime Minister is himself.
1 minute.
The most corrupt people.
1 minute.
Can take action. Anand Ranganathan, you are not a BJP spokesperson. See, Shehzad is going to say,
Shehzad
koi
Poonawala
corruption
joins
nahi
the debate. Shehzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins
You
the
are an
debate.
honest voice, raise questions against
Okay,
corruption.
all right. Anand Ranganath.
Yes, number one, as you talked about, यहाँ पे skylight दिख नहीं रही। अच्छा वो sorry
The company is on paper.
अच्छा हाँ पेपर।
The check was never
मैंने कहा ये
cashed.
लाइट बहुत
From
आ
what?
रही है, स्काईलाइट से तो नहीं आ रही। 7 करोड़ में खरीदी, कुछ महीनों में 58 करोड़ में बेच दी। ये हिंदी में बोलो तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए बता रहा हूं।
160 days.
है ना, 160 डेज में आप किसी और को जानते हैं, किसी और को जिसने 50 करोड़ का ये मुनाफा कमाया, अपनी सरकार थी उनकी ना, उसको रहने दीजिए। नंबर 2, आप प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग, यू आस्क्ड मी टू टॉक फैक्ट्स। Can I please tell you the facts of ED conviction rate in PMLA cases? Yeah, I can't. No, look.
Okay.
With the same details.
Okay. All right.
cases.
All right. Allow him to complete. I will get you the facts on that one.
Wait कर लो, आपका भी. You will get
Complete your point, Anand.
You know, no? Or shall I ask you or shall I tell you? What is the conviction rate of ED in PM?
I'll tell you.
No.
I'll tell you.
Let me finish the question. The cases that have been finished, completed, PMLA cases, as of March 2025, what is the conviction rate, ED conviction?
Some 93%
Yes.
or something.
No. 96%.
Yes.
I'll tell you why.
No,
I'll tell you why.
अच्छा, अब उसमें
They
reason
file
देख रहे-
6,000 cases and they take 25 to court and complete trial. And 24 they get a conviction.
All the high profile cases, all the high profile cases are in court, gentlemen. But Shehzad,
Court, but no conviction. 6,000, only 25 trial has been completed.
hold on.
That is a deliberate tactic. to
Hold
create
on.
trials.
Hold on. What is the deliberate tactic and what is with the BJP that goes after the entire opposition and has a meltdown of the opposition every few months? Shehzad.
Navika, because I've just entered the studio, I hope I'll get 25-30 seconds to speak. करेंगे हम भ्रष्टाचार, बोलेंगे शिष्टाचार, यही हमारा है बन चुका देश के प्रति अत्याचार। और कोर्ट कार्रवाई करे तो खेलेंगे विक्टिमहुड कार्ड जो ये दिखाते रहते हैं। अब मैं इनसे सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाहता हूं कि बाकी सब तो छोड़ दीजिए, लीव एवरीथिंग एल्स। लालू प्रसाद यादव इज कन्विक्टेड 5 times and first time convicted in UPA. You are comparing him to whom? Bhagat Singh. And you are saying that at that time Bhagat Singh was convicted by British court. So was UPA government British government? When was he convicted? Acha, secondly, look at the itihas of all these people. The first time DA case against Samajwadi Party, Mulayam Singh Yadav, and never in my life or BJP has ever called Mulayam Singh Yadav corrupt. You have said many things to him, but we have never called him corrupt. And the DA case also got over during the NDA period. It was filed by whom? By a Congress leader. When was the first time DMK leader went to jail? A. Raja, Congress period. When was the first time Laluji went to jail? Congress period. When was the first time JMM bribery case conviction took place? Congress period. And they are saying they are born out of the womb of corruption. Now finally, this particular 2 cases are there. One Robert Vadra case and one is the case of Bhupesh Baghel. Chhattisgarh liquor scam. ED should arrest not just Baghel, they should arrest Rahul Gandhi, says Aam Aadmi Party. Gajab hai bhai. One second. No, 1 second. Navika ji, abhi 30 seconds. I take 30 seconds from Mr. Anand Ranganathan. Then there was a very churchit case in Delhi of a liquor scam only.
ये शराब का मामला है, ये शिक्षा का मामला
नहीं है।
शराब की बात हो रही है, शिक्षा पर छुपने का काम मत कीजिए।
आदरणीय आदरणीय श्री सुप्रिया श्रीनेत, बताइए, वो उनका लिकर स्कैम बोलते हैं सही है, वो उनका लिकर स्कैम बोलते हैं दोनों से, और दोनों मिलकर यहाँ पे when they go to the court।
Question is why-
निखिल जी देखिए ना, मैं उतने फैक्ट्स बोल रहा हूँ जितना आपके सिर पे बाल नहीं, तो प्लीज लेट मी
मतलब एक भी फैक्ट नहीं बोल रहे, मतलब एक भी फैक्ट नहीं बोल
अनमोल पवार, अनमोल नहीं, सेल्फ गोल तो हो गया। नहीं, आप दिस राउंड यू हैव लॉस्ट योर चांस। अभी no more charges will come your way। अनमोल पवार, लिकर स्कैम इन छत्तीसगढ़ हुआ था, नहीं हुआ था? रॉबर्ट वाड्रा, was there a scam or not a scam? Because in the past, Mr. Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, has always stated that पहले arrest करो, बाद में सवाल पूछो। Should these people and the action against them be opposed by the opposition, or should you be welcoming it?
Navika ji, we have been very unequivocally said from the very beginning that action must be taken against those who were involved in the Chhattisgarh liquor scam, and it's the Honorable Supreme Court which day before yesterday dismissed the bail of one of the kingpin of that liquor scam, which is languishing behind bars for the last 540 days. And the moot question is, why didn't the BJP government arrested the Congress leader? Secondly, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji who said in 2014 कि भाई साहब 24 घंटे में जो है बैग पैक कर लें रॉबर्ट वाड्रा, उन्हें जेल जाना पड़ेगा. In 2019 he said that in the next 5 years he'll go behind bars. It's an open and shut case. There are credible evidence. The Honorable Supreme Court has admitted it. The Honorable Supreme Court has observed that there are evidence in that case. Then why didn't the Bharatiya Janata Party arrested Robert Vadra? And secondly, देखिए हम तो खंडन करते हैं जिस तरह से इन्होंने कांग्रेस वालों ने जो है भगत सिंह जी की तुलना लालू यादव से की जो कन्विक्ट हैं. अब शहजाद पूनावाला बताएं कि क्या नीतीश कुमार करप्ट है या नहीं? हाँ या ना में जवाब दें. क्या नीतीश कुमार करप्ट है या नहीं?
मैं जवाब दे सकता हूं पूरा?
जी.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अरे भाई दूंगा ना, आई विल गिव इट अकॉर्डिंग टू माय, शुड आई गिव इट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू और टू माई सेल्फ? अकॉर्डिंग टू माई सेल्फ.
Go on, Shehzad.
First of all, Navika ji, it took 34 years in this country for Lalu Prasad Yadav to be convicted. In this country, convictions don't work once a charge sheet has been filed. And one statistic Anand was showing that 97% cases after they have gone for the trial, they secure the conviction in the PMLA matters. In fact, one more statistic you should know, that in 95% matters, the charge sheet has been filed. Now, if the court does not convict or does not start the trial, can we control the court? One second. Please do not interrupt. Mr. Pawar, have the courtesy and the patience to make the facts and write them like I write them. Secondly, I want to ask Mr. Pawar, आप एक मुद्दा लेकर आए थे भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ. पंजाब में तो कोई गवर्नर नहीं है, एलजी नहीं है, वहां पर लोकपाल अभी तक लागू क्यों नहीं किया? इन पंजाब, वन सेकेंड, नाउ प्लीज डू नॉट इंटरप्ट. पवर जी, एवरी पॉइंट कांट बी अ रनिंग कमेंट्री ना. यू आर नॉट हर्षा भोगले, although some may look like him. Anyway, now that was not a comment on anybody. Anyways, now please tell me, Mr. Pawar ji, Lalu was convicted. Why did you go and hug Lalu? Why did you go and hug Lalu? First you tell me that. You are asking me about Nitish Babu. One second. One second, sir. One second. You have asked me Nitish Babu. Is there a conviction on Mr. Nitish Babu? No. Is there a conviction on Lalu? Yes. Now why you hugged Lalu Prasad Yadav? Why did you hug the mafia of Sarapur?
The Aam Aadmi Party is worried because the ED today has put 3 cases against them. Hospital, CCTV.
Let me respond now.
Is that your bigger worry?
As far as Robert Vadra is concerned, no trial since last decade, no charge sheet. Charge sheet has been filed this month, and no. और जहां तक नीतीश कुमार की बात है, ये सुनिए जरा.
Bridge Ghotala has also come out, and this bridge of apathy, this bridge of corruption, is the proof and testimony of how Mr. Nitish Kumar ji has transmutated.
ये नीतीश कुमार के लिए कह रहे हैं कि भ्रष्टाचार का पुल है. ये सर्टिफिकेट दे रहे हैं भ्रष्टाचार को नीतीश कुमार का. और सुनिए, दूसरा सुनिए ना. अरे सुनिए.
Wants to be the so-called bridge of so-called opposition unity. Should answer some specific questions.
भ्रष्टाचार का सर्टिफिकेट खुद दिया है. आया नाम में जवाब नहीं दिया जा रहा. आया नाम में जवाब नहीं दिया जा रहा.
नहीं,
जीजा जी को अरेस्ट नहीं करेंगे.
नाविका जी,
जीजा जी को अरेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. जीजा जी लैला मजनू है भाजपा कांग्रेस को.
Who's Laila and who's Majnu?
भाजपा.
No, who's Laila and who's मजनू।
भाजपा लैला, कांग्रेस मजनू।
नाविका,
मजनू पे आज ना है, ये भाजपा इंश्योर कर रही है।
Well, who's Laila and who's Majnू? Please
I only
explain.
request, Anand ji, everybody.
One minute, one at a time. One at a time, my friend. One at a time. Please,
Navika ji,
who's? I'm coming.
Navika ji, I'm responding. How does he keep talking?
कांग्रेस इज मजनू और ये बिल्कुल नहीं चाहते कि रिश्ता बिगड़े, इसीलिए जीजा जी।
अच्छा, अभी नाविका जी, अब मैं बोल दूं।
All right.
देखिए, ऐसा है, सिंस वी आर नाउ
नीतीश
एनालाइजिंग,
कुमार को तो सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं
God, this guy
भ्रष्टाचार
doesn't
का।
stop here. Now, Navika ji, let's have one courtesy. When he's speaking, I heard. Now, he should also hear. As far as categorizing relationships of parties is concerned, I think that Congress and AAP is friendship with benefits. In Punjab, they were fighting. There was kushti. In Delhi, there was masti. And in Chandigarh, there was dosti. तो आप तो फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट वाले हैं। आज आपको भ्रष्टाचार दिख रहा है कांग्रेस का। Anyway, अब 3 तलाक हो गया। मैं पॉइंट पे आता हूँ। नाविका जी, आनंद में से आई एम करप्ट, आई में से विवेक इज करप्ट, विवेक में से सुनिए ना प्लीज, डोंट इंटरप्ट अननेसेसरली, निखिल में से somebody else is corrupt। हमारे स्टेटमेंट से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट इज द कन्विक्शन ऑफ द कोर्ट। कन्विक्शन ऑफ द कोर्ट किसका है? लालू प्रसाद यादव। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट द देश की, दुनिया की सबसे ईमानदार पार्टी जिसको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए कि पाठशाला के बदले मधुशाला खोल दी इन लोगों ने। मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, ये थे स्टेटमेंट इन जनाब।
पाठशाला भी बंद,
सुनिए, बीच में बोलिए, डोंट इंटरप्ट।
सारी जगह गुजरात में बंद कर दी।
सी नाविका, दिस वे वी कांट हैव द डिबेट। व्हेन ही स्पोक आई हर्ड। प्लीज हियर।
कांग्रेस वालों ने चोरी कर रखी है, मुलायम सिंह यादव ने चोरी कर रखी है, मायावती ने चोरी कर रखी है, सबने चोरी कर रखी है।
ऐसा है, देखिए नाविका जी, प्लीज
पॉलिटिक्स में आकर
नाविका,
पॉलिटिक्स में आकर
One last line and I swear I will end after that. नाविका जी, ये तो आए ही थे अन्ना की उंगली पकड़ के ना, टू फाइट द करप्शन। जन लोकपाल
टोपी क्यों पकड़ रखी है?
पहन के जन लोकपाल
कहते थे, उसकी क्यों पकड़ रखी है उंगली?
That is true. Ajit Pawar had been called by you.
की पकड़ रखी है, हेमंता बिस्वा शर्मा की पकड़ रखी है, शुभेंदु अधिकारी की पकड़ रखी है,
नाविका।
भ्रष्टाचारियों की।
All right, Anmol, cool down.
Finish my statement.
Yes.
Complete. Navika ji, my only question is that always I have maintained in the political discourse, yes, when there are allegations, we say that there must be, Caesar's wife should be above suspicion. Absolutely, although it is a very patriarchal phrase. But I say that those who have come with the idea that on the moment of interrogation or investigation there should be resignation, they continued their government from Tihar jail.
And those who come,
even Lalu Prasad Yadav resigned.
Congress Mukht Bharat, all the corrupt politicians from Congress are in BJP.
So why you did
Ajit Pawar, शुभेंदु अधिकारी, हेमंता बिस्वा शर्मा, प्रफुल्ल पटेल, ये कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत है, कांग्रेस युक्त बीजेपी है, ये कांग्रेस युक्त बीजेपी है।
शुभेंदु अधिकारी कांग्रेस से थे?
नहीं, सारे कांग्रेस के भ्रष्टाचारी भाजपा में है, सारे कांग्रेस के भ्रष्टाचारी भाजपा में।
मत करो।
बादशाह आलम जी,
जो भी है।
अब लालू प्रसाद यादव को, अब ही इज भगत सिंह, लैंड फॉर स्कैम में आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी रिलीफ नहीं मिला। अब सब सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, एवरी केस गोज राइट अप टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट। कोर्ट अगर ना रिलीफ दे तो मतलब कोर्ट को उसमें कुछ नजर आ रहा है कि जो चल रहा है वो सही चल रहा है, इसीलिए वो कह रहा है कार्रवाई प्रोसेस होने दीजिए। उसके बाद भी कहना कि ये वेंडेटा है, ये बदले की भावना है, ये चुनाव का वक्त है, इज दैट राइट? ये सवाल मैं बहुत जिम्मेदारी से आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ।
नहीं, देखिए, ये सवाल तो है कि चुनाव का मौसम है, ये मसले जो इस वक्त खड़े हुए हैं, मैं कहीं भोजपुरी में एक कहावत बोल दूं मैडम, बोल सकता हूँ?
बोलिए।
अब एक हमारे यहाँ कहावत, मैं बिहार से आता हूँ कि चोरनी हुई हो तो गलगल हुई हो। तो हमारे ये शहजाद भाई जो है,
मतलब
ये झूठों को, मतलब एक झूठ बात को इतना तेज बोलेंगे कि वो सच हो जाएगा, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है।
कन्विक्शन झूठा है।
अच्छा, अभी आपने नहीं, लालू जी की आप बात कर रहे हो, आप ये बताओ ना, आपने जगन्नाथ मिश्रा का नाम लिया? आपने जगन्नाथ मिश्रा का नाम लिया?
किस पार्टी से थे
आप?
नहीं,
अरे हम
किस पार्टी से थे?
अरे
बोलिए मान्यवर,
मेरी बात
हो गया, बोलिए किस पार्टी से थे?
अरे
जगन्नाथ मिश्रा किस पार्टी से थे?
वही रहो,
किस पार्टी से थे?
आप मेरे ऊपर अटैक करिए?
किस पार्टी से थे
आप?
जगन्नाथ मिश्रा सब कांग्रेस। गजब पार्टी है
मैडम, मुझे अपना
बिल्कुल बोलने दीजिए। जगन्नाथ मिश्रा तो आपके दोस्त कांग्रेस की पार्टी से।
भाई, हम एक मिसाल दे रहे हैं ना, किस कंटेंट्स में कह रहे हैं आप, तो उसको लेके बिल्कुल आप
बोलिए ना, कॉन्टेक्स्ट बताइए आप,
ऐसे मत कीजिए।
तो लालू प्रसाद जो मसला आप उठा रहे हो ना, लालू प्रसाद जो है ना सामाजिक न्याय का पुरोधा है, और वो डरा नहीं किसी से। आज अगर वो मोदी जी के आगे सर टेक देता ना तो मोदी जी उसको गले लगा लेते, लेकिन वो बिहार के राजनीति को अच्छी से समझते हैं। और ये जो इलेक्शन का जो मुद्दा आप कह रहे हैं ना,
यही तो प्यार है।
एक मिनट, थोड़ा डिबेट में है या कहीं और है?
मैडम देखिए, इस तरह से
अलायंस टूट गई है तो बोलने नहीं देंगे प्रोफेसर साहब।
आपने हमें बुलाया हुआ, आपको हमारी बात सुननी पड़ेगी।
मैं बिल्कुल सुनूंगी।
तो मैं अपनी
ये अलायंस तोड़ने वाले हैं, गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं।
हमारा जो हम रखेंगे ना,
बिल्कुल रखिए, बिल्कुल रखिए।
झूठ बोले जा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है कि हम उसका जवाब नहीं देंगे। अब लालू प्रसाद का मसला आप बार बार उठा रहे हैं, इस वक्त उठा रहे हैं कि बिहार में चुनाव है। आप ऐसी मसले लेके आते हैं कि रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने ये कर दिया। भाई आपकी सरकार है, आप अब तक क्या कर रहे हो? 10 साल 15 साल पुराना केस है। 11 से मोदी जी सरकार में बैठे हुए हैं और आपने जमीन की बात कर दी कि इतना प्रॉफिट ले लिया। मेरी बात सुन लीजिए पहले आप, मैं मैंने कंप्लीट कर लूं। आपने जितना टाइम लिया ना उसका आधा भी टाइम नहीं लिया मैंने अभी तक।
आंसरिंग फॉर
अभी राम जन्मभूमि के आगे देखिए कितने जमीन किस रेट में बिके। वहां राम न्यास की जमीन की बात कर रहा हूं मैं।
अच्छा,
1 घंटे के अंदर करोड़ों रुपए रेट बढ़ गया।
अच्छा,
उस पर आप बात नहीं करेंगे, वो आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा। वो
ओके,
सवाल सही है। सत्य प्रकाश जिसकी जवाब सत्य प्रकाश।
पहला तो इन्होंने एक नीतीश कुमार जी पर कोई सवाल खड़ा किया, शहजाद जी का कोई पुराना स्टेटमेंट होगा, करेक्टिंग योरसेल्फ। ओके, यू आर ए लॉयर, राइट? In last more than 40 years of his political career, there is no allegation of any kind of allegation of against Mr. Nitish Kumar. Hold on, I don't know.
अगर ये नहीं मानते तो फिर
मैंने बोला लालू जी की संगत में
Whenever there is any kind of allegation, we have responded, whether Shahzad or anyone else. We have been, in alliance with both the sides, and we have asked sorry from people of Bihar. The next question, why you people are not serious on the corruption charges? Courts of India has not provided you any kind of relaxation, neither to Vadra, neither to Kejriwal, nor to any Ajit Pawar, whomsoever. Even Lalu Prasad Yadav got prosecuted when UPA was in power. Hold on.
कोई justify नहीं कर रहा।
Justifying, you are justifying. Okay, fine.
सरकार में बैठे क्या कर रहे हो?
No, so we are working against corruption. We are working against corruption, and you are
saying land for jobs scam तो 2004 का है। नहीं, land for jobs का scam 2004 to 2008.
Every person of Lalu family is on bail. Every person from Gandhi's family is on bail. So why don't you criticize the today's tweet of Mr. Rahul Gandhi regarding witch hunt? This is not a witch hunt. This is a hunt for the corrupt. This is a hunt for all the corrupt people by the government and for the people of India.
One at a time, gentlemen. One at a time. One at a time.
You are taking just constitution in your hand. Don't follow it.
Anand Ranganathan.
You may
every time. Nikhil Jain. I'll have to call the bouncers in. One minute.
Speaking, I was not, intervening.
Very right. But I want to ask Anand Ranganathan, 30 seconds. 2004 to 2008 is when the land for job scams took place. If till 2014 the UPA was in power, why was that time period not being questioned? And what does elections have to do with investigations that have been going on, court dates of cases that have been going on? They come before elections and suddenly the opposition is up in arms.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, अनमोल जी ने जो वीडियो एविडेंस लाए, शहजाद जी लाए, टू आस्क अ पॉलिटिशियन अबाउट व्हाट ही और शी सेड months or possibly even weeks ago is it's a chase that is not worth conducting, for the simple reason that when Anmol ji says that is Nitish corrupt or not, and Shehzad says he's not been convicted, by that logic Shehzad or anybody else cannot say whether Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt or not.
That's it.
So, do you think Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt? Now, what I mean to say is BJP, not just you, I'm saying everyone, BJP, Congress is saying Kejriwal is corrupt, he is also not being convicted. अब जैसे आप कह रहे हैं सत्याज जी कि नीतीश जी पे कोई एलिगेशन नहीं लगी, आपके जो अभी पार्टनर हैं और जो अभी पार्टनर नहीं है बादशाह जी, सृजन स्कैम आप जानते हैं, 1000 करोड़ का स्कैम है।
उस स्कैम के बारे में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं कि नीतीश कुमार himself, no hold on, Nitish Kumar himself ordered CBI inquiry and it is the first scam of India in which the money has been recovered. It was between a Bank of Baroda and some local people who used to make a false check and get withdrawn. This was the case. It was not against Nitish Kumar. No court of India, no, you know, that point of time UPA was in power. Why UPA never, you know, made any allegation against of Nitish Kumar?
I just want मैं सीरियसली नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ।
In India,
मैंने जो कुछ कहा आपको गलत लगा।
Political
मैं आपने बिगेस्ट
agency has made any, you know, any allegation against.
All right. No. Allow me 1 minute. I'm not going to be able to conduct a debate if
Gave you
okay, got the point. What's your mood point? What's your mood point?
Srijan scam in jail. All accused.
Okay, but what's your next? What's your basic?
Let me ask my biggest adversary.
Yes.
Did I say anything wrong?
Absolutely.
And now let me finish.
For a change, I agree with you.
And
I clap for you also. बहुत बढ़िया बोले आप.
Because you got a.
No, because he showed you the mirror. And he showed the BJP the mirror.
No, your party has never. Your party never dared to make any allegation.
If Lalu Yadav was that bad, if Lalu Yadav was that bad,
you people have been thrown out on the street when Lalu was in power. You don't have even the. You people have never been allowed to walk on the street, never been allowed to protest against Lalu Yadav when he was in power. Your democratic rights were just folded up by the Lalu government. You don't know anything. Mr. Vivek, you don't know anything.
I'm coming one by one.
Let me speak. It's my chance. So let me speak. 20 seconds.
Now,
20 seconds. Then
I'm only giving him 30 seconds, and then you have to respond to all the questions.
My allegations.
Never win.
Hold on. It's my chance. It's my chance.
Satyaprakash.
Let me speak.
Yes.
जब सत्ता में आना था, सरकार बनानी थी और उधर से पलट के इधर आए तो मैंने बोलने दीजिए 30 सेकंड दे रहे हैं.
हमने
डरिए मत, मेरी आवाज से डरिए मत.
बनाई.
सुनिए पहले, सुनिए पहले
पर बनाई. आप हमारा हमारे मूल्यों पर आए, मूल्यों पर झुके नहीं. नीतीश कुमार भ्रष्टाचार, करप्शन, कम्युनलाइजेशन, इन चीजों पर समझौता नहीं करते. शासन मंत्र है, उस पर चलते हैं.
Satyaprakash ji, now you have to calm down. You have to calm down. Complete your question to the ruling party.
डर के मारे, मेरी आवाज से डर के चीखे ना. सुने, आप आए हमारी तरफ या हम आए आपकी तरफ. रुक जाइए जरा आप. और एक सरकार बनाई गई.
रुक जाइए.
अब बोलने दीजिए मुझको. अब बोलने दो भाई. उत्तर नहीं है, सीधा बोलो. You supported Lalu Yadav. You were with
All right. 1 minute.
And Lalu Yadav.
1 minute.
Lalu Yadav was the supporter of social justice. उन्होंने रथ यात्रा में आडवाणी को जेल में डाला. तो फिर वेंडेटा लिया. So he is the champion of social justice. And I stand by it.
Chara घोटाला में was he convicted? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Was he convicted in the fodder scam? Yes or no?
He was framed by a conspiracy of some.
By whom? By the Congress party. By the Congress party. You know, he was. Okay. All right.
I have all the morality. Please, I request everybody.
Silence. No. Please wait.
Just now, Vivek was extolling the points made by Rahul Gandhi on the vendetta politics, correct? You're right?
Yes.
So Rahul Gandhi is by and large correct, right?
Yes.
Rahul Gandhi, why is Vijay not in jail?
Yeah, that's a selective statement.
Selective hai. So he's selective, they're not here. Okay. Sir, I have not interrupted. Secondly, Rahul Gandhi, you have just now said that...
Vivek.
No. Vijayan has said. Secondly, he has said that Samajik Nyay ke Puroda, which you have repeated, that Laluji's Samajik Nyay ke Puroda. Yes. Just now, just few days ago, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav said Shahabuddin Amar Rahe. You know, one of the victims of Shahabuddin was CPI ML leader, Mr. Chotelal Gupta. He was killed and brutally murdered, and it was his first or second conviction.
Yes, I know.
हाँ, so Shahabuddin अमर रहे,
Yes.
left कार्यकर्ता को मारने
हाँ, मैं
वाला,
जानता
ठीक है. Thirdly, there is a leader of the RJD MLA. I don't want to play a statement who said भूरा बाल साफ करने का मतलब भूरा means the भूमियार, राजपूत, अगड़ा, बाल means it means Brahman and it means लाला. ये झूठ क्या है? वीडियो है. I'm not playing it because it is a very communal video. It has been put out in the public domain.
We are on corruption.
Lastly, I'm saying that there is one more gentleman, and that gentleman has said something very important, and I think that deserves to be heard. Please hear.
की तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी उंगली उठा के दिखा दे, मान जाऊंगा नरेंद्र मोदी में 56 इंच का सीना
आज है 56 इंच का सीना.
11 साल नहीं
56 इंच. अच्छा,
56 इंच का सीना नहीं है, ये भी साबित हो गया.
जानते ना, on this point.
Why no charging? Vivek Srivastava. Anmol Pawar, 1 minute.
There is
Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
You're talking about Lalu Prasad
Yes.
Yadav. Let's discuss Lalu Prasad Yadav first.
Yes.
My question is
Yes.
based on
Yes.
courts. Courts have convicted him.
Yes.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No, I mean, see.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
The way he was
Is
struggling, the pain in the jail that he was undergoing, the tortures by these governments of the India later on, सिर्फ उस context में बोला गया था. He is not Bhagat Singh. उस context में बोला गया था.
Now, one case came up in the Supreme Court this morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In that case, the Supreme Court said no quashing. Let the trial go on.
Okay.
That Supreme Court was looking at elections and called the case today.
No.
So,
you have to understand.
So I rest my case.
No. Let me speak. Let me counter it. Today, Lalu Yadav is the biggest enemy of the BJP because of Bihar elections. Number one. Number two.
So Supreme Court.
Number two, हमारा मानना है. आप सुनिए. No. Number two, if Lalu Yadav was not there, बिहार के अंदर जो बाबू साहब, जो राजपूत और जो कायस्थ और जो ब्राह्मण और जो अपर कास्ट हैं, उनसे नजर मिला करके कोई बैकवर्ड बात नहीं कर सकता था.
आप ये
रथ यात्रा जो लालू यादव ने रोकी और आडवाणी को हाउस अरेस्ट किया.
1 minute.
आपने नहीं किया था. आप नहीं थे आडवाणी को जेल भेजने वाले जब वो सामाजिक
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, Satya Prakash ji.
Yes.
We are not on an election rally.
Yes.
We are discussing corruption.
Yes.
Here. On corruption, I asked you questions, and on corruption, the Supreme Court. मैं आपसे आलम साहब पूछना चाहती हूँ. अब
नहीं, ये आप आनंद रंगनाथन से पूछिए, डिटेल दें अजीत पवार के केसेस के, हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा के केसेस के डिटेल, शहजाद पूनावाला दें यहाँ पर.
विवेक
मेरे को भी है.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
उसको कोई नहीं डिस्कस करता. विवेक के सत्ताधारी पार्टी के साथ है.
श्रीवास्तव जी, आप तय करेंगे कि मैं क्या बोलूं?
नहीं, मेरा राइट है.
नहीं,
ये मेरा राइट है.
आप तय नहीं करेंगे.
रूलिंग पार्टी के अलाइंस के करप्शन को डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पर.
मैं विपक्षी दलों को मौका दे रही हूँ, ये नहीं मौका दे रहे. मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, यू सेड इलेक्शंस का टाइम है इसीलिए ये हो रहा है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के सुन रही है केस?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के ही तो केस सुन रही है.
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल मैं कह रहा हूँ.
alleging the judges are now.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी आजकल जो है दबाव में महसूस कर रही है पब्लिक. सुनिए, आप मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो भाई साहब.
देखकर हियरिंग कर.
आप मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो.
कहते सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देखकर गए थे. क्या देखकर
भाई? सुप्रीम
अपनाया था लालू
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जब मामला गया है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट
राहत नहीं मिले, इलेक्शन देख के फैसला, राहत मिल जाए तो फिर कुछ और
डिसीजन.
मुझे एक बात बोले,
डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर आज इनको अपना बिहार के क्या केसेस हैं बताओ मुझको.
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
बताओ.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी,
मुझे बोलने देना बिहार से.
सत्ताधारी अगर है तो क्लीन चिट दी आप सबने.
1 minute.
एक लालू यादव के पीछे सारे पड़े हो.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
क्योंकि उसका
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, you have had your turn. Hold on. जी,
बात पूरी कर लो.
आपकी बात
हमारे सत्य प्रकाश भाई, आप जो ये कह रहे हो ना, ये 2025 का इलेक्शन हो जाने दो, उसके बाद मैडम आपका एक प्रवक्ता कम हो जाएगा एक पार्टी का. आप देख लेना.
ये धमकी दे रहे हैं.
धमकी नहीं दे रहे, हम आपको एक मशवरा दे रहे हैं.
व्हाट इज दिस?
आप जिस तरह से
नहीं, आयु कर रहे हैं, नहीं, आप लाइव टेलीविजन
बीजेपी ये आपका हाल होने वाला है.
No, this is, I'm sorry. sorry. I do not appreciate this. I do not. आप इस तरह डिबेट पर धमकी नहीं दो, डिबेट पर धमकी नहीं हो सकती.
बोला बीजेपी में चले जाएंगे.
1 minute. Okay.
खत्म हो जाएगी.
1 minute. Stop being a spokesperson. 1 minute.
पैर की बात कर रहे हैं.
सत्य प्रकाश जी
में नाम लिखाया था ना, तो आपकी धमकियों के खिलाफ ही लिखाया था, क्योंकि बिहार में लालू यादव जब मुख्यमंत्री थे, ये सीपीआई वाले हैं, इनके जो जेएनयू के अध्यक्ष थे चंद्रशेखर, सीवान की सड़कों पर खुला मार दिए गए. तेजाब से जला दिया साहबुद्दीन ने 2 गवाह को, कौशल्या देवी के बेटे को मारा. आप इस बात को समझिए कि 59 नरसंहार जिस राज्य में हुआ हो, लालू राबड़ी राज्य में, उसको आप सामाजिक न्याय का राज कहते हैं. सामाजिक न्याय लाया था कर्पूरी ठाकुर ने, इसके बाद आया सामाजिक न्याय नीतीश कुमार ने. इसलिए वोट रेट बिहार का
Everybody in this country has heard about Jungle Raj in Bihar. Statements like this actually give you the memory of that Jungle Raj.
Yeah.
I don't appreciate this. And on live television to threaten anybody is completely deplorable. Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you, when it is done immediately after a government comes to power, it's vendetta. When it is done close to elections, it is close to elections, even if it is Supreme Court cases. Allegations are now being made on the Supreme Court on the timing it with elections. Just what's going on?
I'll tell you what's going on, because you're asking each and every question to each and every politician or someone who's aligned to a party. So every statement is correct. When Satya Prakash ji talks about the corruption that happened during Lalu's rule, he is absolutely right. But then when you ask him, or when Anmol ji ask, or Nikhil ask, or Vivek ask, why the hell were you in alliance with them? They're also right. Then he's silent. I want to come. No, please. पिछली बार आपने interrupt किया, इस बार मत करिए. अब ये विवेक, जिनसे मेरी special relationship है, whataboutery कर रहे हैं. इन लॉजिक की बात करते हैं. इनसे एक सवाल है. इन लॉजिक आप जानते हैं वर्ड क्या होता है? एक्सालॉजिक क्या है, पता है ना? बोलिए. नहीं पता? नहीं, बताइए. वीणा कौन है? वीणा विजयन. नहीं, पता उससे क्या होगा? बताऊं? क्या बताऊं? नहीं, बताऊं क्या है? स्कैम पता है आपको? हाँ, आप बोलो ना, मैं बताता हूं. आप पता चला एक्सालॉजिक स्कैम के डिटेल में उसके बारे में नहीं बोलेंगे. अजीत पवार के बारे में बोलेंगे. बिल्कुल बोलूंगा. गोल्ड स्कैम में क्लीन चिट मिली है. किसको? पिनरई विजयन सर, कौन अरेस्ट हुआ? 3 साल का इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद 3 साल का इन्वेस्टिगेशन
अजीत पवार भी
क्लीन चिट है.
That's why I say I rest my case, because I love politicians for one thing. They expose themselves.
Do you agree?
Nikhil Jain, absolutely. Nikhil Jain. No, your turn is over.
मुझे बताओ कौन accused है. बताओ मुझको.
Hold on.
कोई नहीं है.
पानी पी लो.
3 साल
पानी पी लो, जनता बताएगी.
एजेंसीज लगी रही.
पानी पी लीजिए, जनता और कोर्ट बताएंगे. Nikhil Jain, I want to ask you, when the issue comes about Robert Vadra, you have a problem. Rahul Gandhi writes such big tweets. Then Baghel. Well, liquor scam in Delhi was a problem. Liquor scam in Chhattisgarh is being investigated. You can't celebrate one and moan about the other.
Yeah, that's true.
Because the Congress party has always maintained that law in this country, investigative agencies and courts in this country should follow the process of law. So if there was indeed a liquor scam in Delhi, let's put people behind bars, but with the due process of law. If there was a liquor scam in Chhattisgarh, let's do the same.
That is what is happening.
That is not what is happening.
Why?
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Sir, I did not. सत्य प्रकाश जी, आई डिड नॉट इंटरप्ट. मैं तब से यही कहना चाह रहा था कि आप नीतीश जी पे करप्शन के कोई आरोप हो ही नहीं सकते. करप्शन के आरोप तब होंगे ना जब सरकार चला रहे होंगे. चला तो कोई और रहे. एक दिन बोलते 125 यूनिट.
शहजाद पुनावाला.
I will respond.
सर, फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट ने आपके 3 दिन पहले न्यूज का खंडन करा. कंडेम द न्यूज दैट वी आर नॉट गिविंग एनी क्रेडिट. Yet the next day, नीतीश कुमार but Shehzad, please.
सरकार चलाइएगा तो करप्शन का आरोप लगेगा. The charge is on Nitish Kumar, and bridges did go away in water.
And
please
also
respond.
about the last point he made about the due process being followed in the cases of pursuing the corruption cases. And because Nikhil is my good friend, who practices before the high courts of the law, so he will say that the courts are free and fair. Now please tell me, sir, due process was followed in Lalu's case?
Certainly it was followed.
Then what was Kanhaiya saying? One second, let me complete my 20 seconds, then you speak. Kanhaiya says no, he was unfairly convicted. Nikhil Jain, who I think has more understanding of the law, he's not a sworn supporter of Naxalites.
Of everything.
He has more understanding, and I completely agree with that. He says that Kanhaiya Kumar is a Bhashtachari supporter because he has supported Lalu Prasad. Let me complete. If you, after the full due process of 34 years, don't believe that the due process has been followed, then in the case of Baghel or anybody else, how they will follow? Anandji, 10 seconds more. And see, Anandji has raised a good point, and I completely laud him for that. But see, Anand, you have seen me in 50, 20, 30 debates on this issue itself. I have always maintained, forget the allegations, one standard should be that at least the charges should be accepted by the court. Not even conviction, charges should be accepted. In today's case, there is only one convicted leader. Even in that case, they are not ready to agree. No. And therefore, I say if tomorrow charges are framed and the charges are accepted by the court, even I will call that person corrupt.
He attributed a statement to me, which I did not.
Okay,
I talked about the due process. I talked about the due process of law. The due process of law also includes the right of first appeal. It also includes the right to the second appeal. In Lalu's case, an appeal is pending before the High Court, which is why the conviction. Which is why
Bhagat Singh की
भाई साहब लॉ आपने भी पढ़ा है no the high court had given 1 minute the high court had given an interim order to go ahead. You even challenged an interim order in Supreme Court, but Anmol Pawar agar order is stayed under the law, that conviction order is stayed. That is why he is out. He is exercising his right to first appeal.
Navika ji, conviction order
we are reinventing.
That is why he is out.
Okay. Then go and ask Rahul Gandhi, why did he tear up the ordinance that he did in 2013 or 12? He tore up the ordinance that was supposed to bring Rahul Gandhi.
That ordinance was not for Lalu. That ordinance was that a person should lose their membership to the house. That person.
आप जब पैदा हुए हैं ना, तब तक हम देश के हर स्कूल और हर कॉलेज में पढ़ा कर हेडमास्टर बनकर निकले. माफ कर दीजिए मुझे, माफ कर दीजिए. Anmol Pawar, 1 minute. I want to ask you. You are a party, and I specifically ask you this because in our career, we have seen one party that was born out of some ideals. बाकी parties पहले से exist कर रही थी before our career started.
1.5 लाख का iPhone.
लेकिन you are one party that came 2012, 2013, Ramleela Maidan, India Against Corruption. We have been there. We have seen your party being born. We have seen your party coming into this, and the entire experiment of how people will become the participants in governance. What happened to that ideal? Because 24 hospitals were to be built. How many have been built? The state of schools, after all, it's not a lie that the schools that were said, the classrooms that were said were not there. The liquor scam has gone through at least some stages of the court, and they have found merit in those cases being there, which is why they kept some people. I want to ask you, have you not taken away the dream of 1 billion people by getting into the same mold as all other political parties when you were a party with a difference?
Navika ji, as far as our health and education model is concerned, in the last 10 years, we built 22,700 classrooms, and our education model and health model was lauded, not just in India, but even by the likes of Ban Ki-moon. अच्छा, सुनिए ना, डर क्यों रहे हैं?
Against corruption, India against corruption.
Satya Prakash ji is excited to answer several questions. Let me ask him. They have been ruling for the last 20 years. Tell me whether you have been able to provide basic amenities of life to the people of Bihar. Basically, Pani success diya ya nahi diya. And let's talk facts. BJP or JDU today Prime Minister Modi said,
One minute.
Modi today
क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया ना, सुनो। अरे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, सुनो आप, सुनिए आप, सुन लीजिए ना। अरे सुन लीजिए ना, एक सवाल पूछा, सुन लीजिए। बेसिक एवरीथिंग में अरे नहीं डर रहे, आपको सुनने का सवाल पूछा, आप सुन नहीं रहे। आप सुन लीजिए प्लीज, आप सवाल आप सुन लीजिए, आप सुनिए।
माय गॉड,
सुनिएगा, सवाल आपने पूछा है बेसिक एवरीथिंग पर, आप डर रहे हो। आप सवाल का जवाब सुन नहीं रहे। अरे अभी ना, ये बताओ, अभी सुन लीजिए, ये सुनिए, आप सुन तो लीजिए, सुनने तैयार नहीं है। अरे सुन तो लीजिए अलायंस पार्टनर के लिए यार, सुन लीजिए। 1 मिनट, आप सुनिए। सरकार पर भाजपा आ गई मैदान में, भाजपा ने मान ली। 10 सेकंड नहीं, हमें सुनना होता है। 1 मिनट, लेट्स नॉट हेकल, नो 20 सेकंड, नहीं 1 सेकंड, लेट्स नॉट हेकल, 1 मिनट, नहीं 1 मिनट, आई एम कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ टाइम। नो 1 मिनट, आई एम कमिंग।
10 सेकंड, 20 सेकंड, नहीं नामिका जी, हमें समय नहीं मिला बोलने का। 20 सेकंड,
आपको नहीं मिला,
यस, लगातार इंटरप्ट कर रहे हैं। टुडे मोदी जी सेड that he has given 3 lakh homes to the poor in Motihari, but why did he heartlessly demolish the jhuggies in Delhi of 40 lakh migrants? What also Bihar and Uttar Pradesh? Secondly, he said that 1 crore women in Bihar have become Lakshpati Didi.
Okay.
But the Ministry of Rural Department data said that only 13 lakh have been provided.
I asked you about corruption. I asked
100 में से
जवाब।
And thirdly,
Anmol Pawar, I'll have to call the bouncers in. 1 minute. Shehzad, 1 minute.
अभी
Shehzad, no, last response, I'm out of time.
Just now the spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party has criticized Adaraniya Nitish Ji. Arvind Kejriwal praises Nitish Kumar. Adaraniya Nitish Kumar's model is the best model. Arvind Kejriwal hits back.
तो आप ये
अब बताओ कि ये झूठे। यू गो आस्क अरविंद केजरीवाल कितने स्कूल बनाए, यू गो आस्क केजरीवाल कितना विकास किया।
आपके हिसाब से तो भ्रष्टाचारी है ना।
This Aman is insulting OBC.
Ladies and gentlemen, since nobody will allow me to talk on the stand, I'm just concluding the debate. And I want to tell you, the party that is formed on the plank of corruption, or rather anti-corruption, when asked about corruption does not respond to it. When asked about elections and Supreme Court, they say the Supreme Court is also biased. When asked about what about the conviction done of Lalu Prasad Yadav, they say about social justice. But it's not just the opposition. The question is also to the ruling side. And I want to tell you, when bridges just go in the water, when they have been constructed, questions must be asked. Questions must be asked on why, being a dry state, can you find liquor in Bihar in the police thana itself? We've done sting operations on that. Questions must be asked of every side. But to say everything is part of election or vendetta clearly doesn't wash. Because this country has poor people. This country has people who are watching. This country has citizens who demand answers. Corruption cannot be an issue of a slugfest and a pastime for political parties. On every side of the debate, there needs to be responsibility and accountability, not a free-for-all, because the citizen of India has become a football, while corruption is the most interesting pastime for politicians. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining me on the debate. Apologize for all the pandemonium, but that's what happens when you discuss corruption. Good night. Be safe.